If you're tired of driving in a dark, boring cabin every night, you're about to transform your car into a luxury lounge without spending a fortune at a custom shop. We've tested the kits, we've hidden the wires, and we've dealt with the sticky 3M tape failures so you don't have to. All the links to these exact Amazon kits are waiting for you in the description box below. Let's dive in. We are going to start at number 5 with the Govee Smart Car Interior Lights. This is the standard RGB kit, and listen, I know putting Govee at number 5 sounds like I'm saying it's the worst one, but that is not what this is. This is actually the one I tell my brother-in-law to buy because he does not want to mess with his fuse box, and honestly, he just wants the car to look cool when he picks up his date. The thing that makes this kit so popular, and it has like 79,000 reviews, is the two-line design. You get 2 strips, you run one under the driver dash and one under the passenger dash. You plug it into the cigarette lighter or the 12-volt port, and you are done. It takes maybe 15 minutes if you are being really picky about hiding the wire. The Govee Home app is where this thing really shines. It is not one of those junky apps that asks for your location data for no reason. It just works. You can use the camera on your phone to take a picture of your seat color, and the lights will match it exactly. It's a neat party trick. The music mode is also pretty solid. If you have a subwoofer back there, the lights will thump right along with the beat. Now, here's the thing you need to know before you add this one to your cart. It is standard RGB. That means the entire strip has to be the same color at the same time. You cannot have a rainbow chasing effect. It is one solid color or it is fading to another solid color. That's fine for most people, but if you're chasing that high-end custom look, you will want to keep moving up the list. The other little headache, and this goes for every light we talk about tonight really, is the adhesive tape on the back. Moving up to number 4, we have the Just Hope Car LED Interior Lights. Now this is where we leave the world of obvious plastic strips behind, and we step into something that looks a little more like it belongs in a nice car. The Just Hope uses a fiber optic cable. It is 315 inches of this integrated molding fiber. What that means for you is you do not see the little individual LED dots. You know what I'm talking about. The cheap strips look like a row of Christmas lights. The Just Hope looks like a smooth, continuous neon line. This is the kit you want if you're trying to hide the light source completely and just have the glow spilling out from the cracks in your dashboard or the seams in your door panels. You get 6 pieces to play with here. Okay, here is the weird quirk you need to hear. The memory on this thing is a little goofy. When you start your car in the morning, the lights default to on. Even if you turn them off manually last night, they're going to come back on. It's not a huge deal, but it can be a little annoying if you just want to drive to work in the dark. The fix is easy. Just get a cigarette lighter adapter that has its own on-off switch. Click it off when you park, and you are golden. The other thing is installation. This requires you to have some panel gaps in your car. If you drive a Tesla or some modern EV with a completely sealed flush dash, you're going to have a really tough time hiding this fiber. But for most trucks, Jeeps, and sedans, there's plenty of room to wedge this in, and it looks awesome. Number 3 on the list is the Duo Fu 35 Car LED Interior Light. This one is a 5-in-1 kit, and the reason I like this one for the mid-range spot is because of that word acrylic. This is not just a thin fiber wire, this is a thick, solid piece of acrylic that acts like a light pipe. When the LEDs fire through the edge of that acrylic block, it diffuses the light so well that it looks like a solid neon tube straight out of the 80s, but with modern smart control. You get 16 million colors and 210 dynamic modes. If you're the kind of person who wants that flowing water effect where the light looks like it's actually moving from the passenger door over to the driver's side, this is the kit that does it really well. It also comes with an RF remote and an app, so you're not stuck fumbling with your phone every time you want to change the vibe. Now, for the part that might make you hesitate, that acrylic piece is thick. You need a pretty sizable gap in your dash to slide it into. If your car has one of those modern floating screen setups with really tight tolerances, this might be a tight squeeze, or it might not fit at all without some custom trimming, which I really wouldn't recommend. Also, the footwell strips are waterproof, but that center acrylic piece is not something you want to spill coffee all over. Just be mindful of where you place it. If you have the right gap though, this gives you that high-end luxury car look for less than the cost of a tank of gas in a big truck.
Number 2 is the Liv-T Smart LED Car Interior Lights. If the Dufu 365 is a bit too chunky for your taste, the Liv-T is the opposite. This is the disappearing act. This kit uses these super small mini illumination devices and a really thin nanomaterial fiber optic line. It is thin enough that you can almost hide it anywhere. We're talking center console gaps, shifter area, door panel seams. It practically vanishes during the day. When the sun goes down, though, you get this really soft, even glow that looks way more expensive than it actually is. It runs off USB power, which is a huge win if your car only has one 12-volt port and it is already taken up by a dash cam or a radar detector. You just plug it into your center console USB and you're off. Here's the trade-off, though. This fiber is delicate. I want to be really clear about this. You cannot treat this like a normal wire. If you yank on it or fold it over a sharp edge, you're going to break the light transmission and you'll end up with a dark spot in the middle of your line. You have to be gentle during the install. Think of it like handling fishing line, not like handling a charging cable. Take your time, tuck it in softly, and do not close the door on it by accident. If you're patient and careful, this is the cleanest, most invisible install you can get without paying a custom shop $1,000. And finally, number 1, the MAODANER Acrylic Interior Car LED Strip Light. This is the one you buy when you want people to get in your car at night and say, wait, what car is this? It does not look like an add-on. It looks like you drove off the lot of a German luxury dealership. You're getting 175 inches of lighting, but more importantly, you're getting almost 600 LEDs. That's a ton of light density. And because of the 2-in-1 design where the LED sits in a channel and the acrylic tube sits on top, you get 0 hotspots. It's just pure, solid light. The Dream Color functionality means you get the full rainbow chasing, and the music sync is responsive enough that you'll actually want to use it, not just show it off once and forget about it. Let me be straight with you about the install though, because this is not for everyone. This kit does not come with a cigarette lighter plug. You have to hardwire this. You're going to need a fuse tap and you're going to have to open up your fuse panel. If that sentence makes you nervous, this might not be the kit for you. It's not rocket science, and there are a million YouTube tutorials, but it is a step up in difficulty from just plugging something in. Also, this particular Dream Color version does a little rainbow light show when you first start the car. It's like a welcome animation. Some people think it's the coolest thing ever. Other people just want the lights to be blue immediately and stay blue. If you want a quieter startup, you might look for the standard RGB version of this same kit. But if you're willing to spend an extra hour on a weekend and you want your interior to look like a high-end custom build, this is the one. All the Amazon links are down below with current prices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.